Hello everyone, this is Moonlight Learning Academy, and today we are going to be learning how to multiply fractions. So let's get started. So for question 1, we have multiply these fractions, 7/8 times 3/5. So when multiplying two fractions, you have to multiply the numerators and the denominators of the fractions with each other. After that, you simplify to get your answer. So let's take this, 7/8 times 3/5. First, we have to multiply the numerators. 7 times 3, that's 21. And then you multiply the denominators. 8 times 5, that's 40. And we cannot simplify this fraction any further, so our answer is 21 over 40. Let's move on to the next problem. So for question 2, we have to multiply 4/7 times 9/12. So for this problem, you have to do the same thing you did in question 1, which is to multiply the numerators and denominators together. 4 times 9, that's 36. And then we multiply the denominators. 7 times 12, that's 84. And then when you simplify that, you get 3 over 7. So 3 over 7 is our final answer. Let's move on to the next problem. So for our last problem, we have to multiply 5/6 times 2/10. So we have to do the same method we did in the last two questions. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and simplify. So let's multiply the numerators. 5 times 2 is 10. Multiply the denominators. 6 times 10 is 60. And then when you simplify that, you get 1 over 6, which is our final answer. Alright everyone, that is all for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!